Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make dough balls. Dough balls are honestly one of my favorite kind of stress balls because they're very flexible. Like that's my thumb right there. They're very fun and simple to make. I forgot that this one has a hole, so that's very aggravating. But this one doesn't have a hole. Yeah, we're going to be making another one. The materials that you need are going to be a balloon, scissors, and of course, Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is you want to blow up your balloon. Once you have blown it up, you're going to let out the air. It doesn't matter if you let it out slow or if you let it out fast. You just got to let out all the air. Next, once you do that, you're going to open up your can of Play-Doh and take out your desired amount. For me, I actually have to do most of the can. That's how much is left. And you're gonna section it off and create little worms, I guess. I'll be right back. Once you have all of your Play-Doh turned into little worms, what you're going to do, you're going to put your fingers down the neck of the balloon until it gets like this. Therefore, it's a lot easier to put the Play-Doh in. Now, you're going to grab the Play-Doh and you're going to put it in the balloon. Once you have done that, you're simply just going to tie it. Once you have done that, you're now simply going to get out all the air, or as much of it as you can, because the less air the better. The better it is to squeeze. Once you've done that, really stretch out the neck of the balloon and then tie it. Make sure that's very nice and tight. And there's your dough ball. But here's where the scissors come in. Cut off the excess of the balloon. And now you have a completed dough ball. You can also turn these into globbles if you soak them into water. Now, see, I personally haven't had great luck turning dough balls into globbles. Really, all they do is they stick to each other and they don't stick to anything else like globbles would. Now I have red, orange, yellow. That's how you make dough balls. Hope you enjoyed. Very simple, very fun, very soft. You can also make them very hard if you use a kind of old Play-Doh. They vary in sizes. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys next time.